Hello, my name is Steve McCaffrey. I'd like to welcome you to this private business reception. In the next few minutes, you are going to learn about one of the fastest growing business opportunities today and a fantastic service for home and business owners. And when we are finished, the person who asked you to view this presentation is going to ask you to do one more thing, and that is to put yourself into one of two categories. One, you may be curious to find out more about the business. Two, you may say, I'm not interested in the business, but I would like to try your service. We are going to give you the facts, and we think you will see an opportunity. The business we are going to present is designed with the busy person in mind, and most find that we are about to present they've never heard before and is very valuable.
Hello, my name is Tom Price. I'm a Regional Vice President for Metro Public Adjustment. I've been in the insurance industry as an adjuster for 35 years with Allstate, Prudential, and AIG Insurance Company. I'm a retired Army Major with the United States Army National Guard. Work for the biggest and best. Metro Public Adjustment is the largest public adjusting firm in the United States, licensed nationally, and a founding member of the American Association of Public Insurance Adjusters. Insurance companies pay 25 to 40 cents on the dollar. Roughly 80% of homeowners accept property damage appraisals without seeking an independent opinion. Of these 80%, they get roughly 25 to 40 cents on the dollar. That's noted from Smart Money magazine. Public adjusters obtained 574% more. Policyholders who use public adjusters received an estimated $9,300 on their claims, compared to $1,300 for those policyholders that did not use public adjusters. That's a difference of roughly 574%. Here's why. Let me give you a little example. During a storm, a homeowner noticed water leaking into the bedroom and dining room below and noticed shingles missing from the roof. All right, here's how the insurance company can view your claim. On the exterior, you get a roof repair. On the bedrooms, drywall repair, spot seal and paint the ceiling, one coat. Tape and protect the fan so we don't get paint on your nice, beautiful fan. Clean and deodorize the carpet. On the dining room, an appearance allowance for the slight cupping in the hardwood floor, and spot seal and paint the walls and ceilings. Not bad. Metro's field adjuster makes them aware of the full extent of the damages. Here's a list of the things they've overlooked. The exterior. Proper roof evaluation required replacement of 2,800 square feet of shingles. Bedroom. Dining room. Living room, foyer, and kitchen. General. Piano reset and return. Dust protection throughout the house. Debris removal. A dumpster for the roof shingles. And additional living expenses may be required if it's inaccessible to the upstairs of the residence. Things we do for the policyholder. The policy is intended to bring the property to pre-loss condition. Our firm has the experience and expertise to evaluate coverage, document the loss, ensure policy conditions are met, prepare a damage estimate, present the claim properly, schedule appointments, handle telephone calls, write letters, and obtain experts as needed to support the claim. This is what your policy covers: physical damage. Under the most common type of policy sold, damage that is sudden and accidental and not specifically excluded is covered. The typical all-risk policy covers fire, smoke, lightning, explosion, ice damming. For example, this photo right here. Ice damming is nothing more than water coming underneath your shingles and showing itself in the ceiling and walls in your house. Weight of ice and snow has a tendency to crack rafters, as shown in this photograph to the bottom right. Collapse, vehicles. Windstorm, trees blown into the house, shingles and siding blown off. Rainstorm, roof leaks, skylights, water under the windowsills, water that enters the house. Hail, tornadoes, hurricanes, accidental discharge or overflow of water, toilets, sinks, tubs overflow, dishwashers, ice makers, washing machines, hot water heater leaks. backup of plumbing systems caused by blockage, supplier waste pipes, freezing of plumbing, heating, or air conditioning systems, theft, vandalism, graffiti, eggs on the siding, tenant vandalism, riot or civil commotion. Surprisingly covered, accidental damages, even if caused by the property owner, spills on a carpet, cracked ceramic tile, melted siding from barbecue grills, mold. If the result of a covered loss, damage caused by children or guests, or any acts of God, flooded basements, AC line blockages, hardwood floor damages, building code upgrades, damages to property during a burglary, theft of copper pipes, swimming pools, fences, raccoons. We represent clients on a percentage fee basis. The percentage is based on the size of the loss. However, we do not take a fee unless the claim is paid.
Well, I'm a karate instructor, and the studio's been in operation for the last 17 years. I lost thousands every year. There's storms that come through here that I just don't even pay attention to because it's not on my mind to send it into the insurance company because I basically really didn't know anything about insurance. And every time there was an accident that happened at the school, I pretty much just took it as a loss and fixed it myself, not knowing that I have insurance to cover these things. Metro can help you get that exactly what you deserve, step by step. And because you really don't know. If you own a business, you really don't know that, well, maybe I'm able to get this or able to get that. How do you know that? These guys are experts at that. I'm experts in karate. So if you come to me for insurance, you're not going to get any. Come to me for karate, I'll help you that way.
He saw some water stains in some of the medical offices and some of the commercial properties, and he said, Wayne, you know, you've got some water damage here. And I said, well, yeah, I did see some spots. I said, but I'll get a painter, I'll take care of it. He said, well, what do you mean you're going to take care of it? And he said, no, you don't work that way. You let me look at it, and I will tell you if you have a claim or not. And we got a nice sized check, you know? And it wasn't that big of a claim, but it gave us enough to do everything that we had to do.
Well, when we had the problem with the ice, it was pretty devastating because water was coming in everywhere. There didn't seem to be a room that was being spared by the ice coming off the roof and the water coming in through the walls. It was a frightening thing not knowing where to turn. We got a hold of Metro, and their people came right out. I was getting things fixed right away, and I didn't have to worry about not getting the bills paid. I was assured by Metro that the bills would be covered.
Not only did they consider, you know, the floor that was on the second floor, but they considered everything on the first floor because, in all sincerity, I had paper, and it's very hard to match the paper for just that spot.
And there was smoke coming out of the vents, and it was all over our floors. It was on the rugs, and it had it, you know, on the ceiling, and I had no idea that it was covered.
Well, there's a lot of things in my policy that I didn't know you were covered for that I do now know that you are.
I had 2 claims, and what wound up happening is after my 2 claims, I wound up getting a policy in the mail, and they gave me another policy for the next year. They didn't drop me. The insurance didn't go up, and I'm happy.
When I looked back and pulled back the wallpaper, that's when I saw all these tubes, termite tubes, and then that's when we got in touch with Metro. Metro, to me, turned a disaster into an adventure.
My name is Jason Cortazzo. I am a regional manager with Metro Public Adjustment. Like most people, I do not come from a construction background, nor do I have any experience in the insurance industry. But that still did not deter me from being successful with Metro Public Adjustment. I'd like to recap. We said that you get paid $350 for about an hour's worth of your time. In that hour, you go out to the property and you conduct a property inspection. You evaluate the policy and educate the client. You take pictures of the damage, you document the claim, and you fill out the paperwork and turn it into our corporate office. The good thing is, the bigger the claim, the more money you make. In a small $5,000 claim, you can make $350. On a $10,000 claim, you can make $700. And on a $20,000 claim, you can make $1,400, and your job description is not going to change. Now, what happens after 15 claims on your own? You get a pay raise. The company pays you 25% instead of the initial 20%. And on a $5,000 claim, that pay goes from $350 to $437. Now you have control of when you get your own promotion. You can be promoted to a regional manager if that is what you would like to do. Regional managers make a little bit more money because there's a little bit more job responsibilities. They make 30% instead of the 25%,
which is $525. Now let's say you were able to do 10 claims a month as a regional manager. The company will pay you over $5,000. And the compensation doesn't stop there. Just like every other Fortune 500 company, you would get paid for training other people and building your team. Let me give you an example. 5 claims from a claim representative, Metro will pay you $875. Additionally, 10 claims from a senior claim representative, they'll give you another $875. That qualifies you for the claim bonus, which is over $2,000. That would equal $9,187 per month, or $110,000 a year.
There are other executive level management positions available. You could start off at a regional manager and work your way up to a senior vice president. The financial rewards include direct income, passive income, group volume bonuses, which we just talked about, business partnership bonuses, monthly bonuses, performance bonuses, and yes, free vacations. Other benefits include flexibility. You get to go full-time, you can go part-time, you get to set your own schedule. This is great for our stay-at-home moms. And you're not going to be alone. Metro is going to offer you training and support your whole career. Our system is proven. The income you get to make, the potential is unlimited. We even offer 2 company-paid trips every year. How do we get our claims? Metro has successful methods that we teach you not only in-house, but out in the field. We have a training program, and you get to make your own schedule. As an example, we do policy reviews and property inspections. We have a great 8 client referral program that we teach you in-house and out in the field. We do home shows, real estate shows. We get to network with professionals, contractors, realtors, plumbers. Plumbers have people that have damage that's covered by their insurance every single day. I can refer business to them and they can refer business to me. Metro can reopen a claim up to 1 year. If somebody did not get what they were supposed to get, we can reopen that claim and properly settle that claim. So you're probably wondering how you get started. The first thing you want to do is meet with your trainer to complete Metro's ICA and $40 application fee. Then complete the following: pass the state test, complete 3 successful field training sales observations, attend Metro's free quick start training and classroom training, and then complete the licensing process in your state. When you do that, Metro will pay you $450 for completing. The company you're about to get involved with is very social responsible. Metro donates to the Send a Net Save a Life, Multiple Sclerosis Society, Operation Enduring Warrior, and the Trees for the Future. Metro plants a tree for every claim that we represent.
No experience necessary.
You are the boss.
Make your own hours.
No office to drive to.
Work from home.
Full or part-time.
Unlimited income potential. Give yourself a raise anytime you want.
Start in the town you live in.
Succeed by helping families achieve their goals and dreams.
Hello again. This presentation was designed to provide you with an overview of the valuable service that Metro provides our clients, as well as an invitation to learn more about our business opportunity. The next step is simple. To find out more about becoming a public adjuster, either full-time or part-time, with our company, please schedule an appointment with the person who invited you to see this presentation. And finally, the most important step is to schedule a free, no-obligation property inspection and policy review. This valuable service and a few minutes of your time may save your financial future. I want to thank you for taking the time. I do hope you choose to join us, and I look forward to working with you in the future.